Students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you today? I hope everyone is fine. The Knowledge School Kite Campus, English Language, Lecture number 17, Class 4, Revision of Chapter 1, prepared by Miss Aisha Usman. From Grammar Tree Book, Chapter number 1, page number 2. Noun and compound noun. Everyone knows that there are two main kinds of nouns, common noun and proper noun. Now here I am going to tell you the definition of common noun and proper noun. A common noun is a general name that is given to all things, places, animal or person of one kind. For example, book, continent, country, river, dog, girl, boy, etc. city. Now आसान उर्दू में अगर मैं आपको ये कहूँ कि कॉमन नाउन वो चीज़ होती है जो किसी आम चीज़, जगह या शख्स के नाम को जाहिर करता है. And now proper noun. A proper noun is a special name given to a particular thing's place, name or a person. For example, Asia, Canada, Nile, Mira, Salim, Karachi, Taj Mahal, Pakistan, Qaid-e-Azam. Now here, what I'm going to say that this is इसमें ये है कि ये किसी भी ख़ास शख्स, चीज़ या जगह के नाम को ज़ाहिर करता है. उसमें क्या आता है? कायद-ए-आज़म एक हैं, उन जैसा कोई और नहीं है. He is the only one, so this is a proper noun. In this chapter, we are going to read about the common and proper noun. In exercise A, we will find proper and common noun. Pick out the proper and common noun. A herd of cows was grazing in the field. Now, cow and field are common noun. There was a pile of books on the table. Book is a common noun. All living creatures need food to survive. Creatures and food are common noun. The magician turned a bunch of keys into a pigeon. So here, magician, keys, pigeon, all are common noun. The Mazar-e-Qaid is special place for Pakistanis. Now here, Mazar-e-Qaid and Pakistanis are proper noun and place is a common noun. Because Mazar-e-Qaid is only one and Pakistanis are also one. We could see crowd of people standing in the street. People and street are common noun. The crew of sinking ship refused to leave the captain behind. Ship and captain are common noun. The class wanted Rima to be their monitor. Rima is a proper noun and monitor is a common noun. In winter, flocks of birds come to this lake. Winter, birds, lake are common nouns. Africa is the second largest continent. Now Africa is a proper noun and continent is a common noun. The horse could not pull the cart full of sand. Horse and cart are common noun. Sikandar has joined a company of actors. Sikandar is a proper noun and company and actors are common noun. This album has 5 CDs of popular songs. CDs and songs are common noun. The two teams went in separate buses to the stadium. Buses and stadium are common noun. We saw many groups of pilgrims camping by the river. Pilgrims and river are common noun. Students, today we have done chapter number 1. Exercise number A. I have done all the common and proper noun in red just to highlight and make it easier way to understand. I hope everyone understood this. Be prepared for your exams. Take a good care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.